Welcome to Maths Motion by Mr. K. Okay, today we have a question: y equals to e to the power 4x over cos x. Okay, this is part of A-level mathematics. It will come out in year 2. Okay, and if it's a quotient rule, okay, it's divide. Anytime when you differentiate, if it's divide, it's a quotient rule. So u and that's v. So the quotient rule says that dy over dx equals to, you fix v, you differentiate u. Okay, and then minus, you fix u, differentiate v, divide by v squared. That's quotient rule. Okay, so first of all, let's figure out. Okay, normally I will suggest students to write that separately. Okay, let's say if u equals to e to the power 4x, then du over dx equals to e to the power 4x times, by differentiating 4x gives you 4, which gives us 4e to the power 4x. And now v is given as cos x, and differentiating cos will give us negative sine. Okay, negative sine x. Okay, now we have u, we have differentiation of u, you have v, and the differentiation of v. So once we have that, rest is easy, just put it into the formula. So therefore dy over dx equals to fix v, which is cos x, differentiate u, which we already got it here, 4e to the power of 4x. Okay, minus, next fix u equals to e to the power 4x, and then differentiate v, which is negative sine x. Okay, now divide this by, okay, oops, sorry. Okay, divide this by v square. Okay, v is cos x square. So there you go. So once we have this, we can expand and simplify 4e to the power 4x cos x plus, this is negative e to the power 4x times by negative sine x. So make sure it turns, the sign changes to positive. Okay, positive e to the power 4x sine x, and this whole thing divided by v square, which is cos x square. And if you look here, that's e to the power 4x and that's e to the power 4x. I can factorize that. Okay, you don't have to, but I like to keep it in a factorized form. Okay, so 4 cos x plus sine x, and that's your final answer. Okay, I hope this is clear. Learn it, practice it, master it. Maths Motion, from concept to confidence. Don't forget to subscribe and watch the next lesson. Thank you.